female Gila monster. Summer is the breeding season. She's laid a clutch of eggs underground so they don't cook. Now she patrols the patch of desert she regards as her territory. The mercury climbs above 40 degrees. She tastes the air like a snake. Something's not right. A rival female. The lizards are infamous nest raiders. They will even devour other Gila's eggs. A hiss is the intruder's last warning. The resident is fighting for her offspring's lives and her own. Fights between females are more ferocious than those between males. Gila monsters are armed with a toxic bite, but they are immune to their own species' venom. The females are equally matched. Both have powerful jaws and thick skin. Continuing in these temperatures could be fatal. If their bodies reach 44 degrees, they'll be paralyzed by the heat. Eventually, the overcooked gladiators call a truce. The trespasser is escorted from the property. Nest protected, it's time to cool down.